D pentatonic major, 1 octave. We're going to place the 2 finger on the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Backwards, 3, 4. Here it is a little slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Three, 4. Right hand, we're going to start with our 1 finger on the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go backwards. 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Three, 4. D pentatonic major, 1 octave.